Instagram in 2018 is more than just an app. It is like your online resume these days. You should make sure your Instagram account is good and updated. Especially for photographers, people judge you by seeing your recent 9 pictures. Hello everyone, I am Shoaib from Underrated Colors. In this video, I am going to tell you the easiest and the best way to edit your Instagram pictures using a phone. Before that, make sure you're following me on Instagram. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. With that being said, let's start today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you two different applications. One is VSCO and another one is Lightroom. Lightroom is a professional editing application which gives everything you need, but it's a little bit difficult and complicated to use. If you're a beginner, then that is not for you. You can use VSCO that I'll be explaining up next. Lightroom is having plenty of tools, like you can play with lights, with colors, and it is having some amazing default presets that you can use freely. And the next one is VSCO VSCO is the most easiest editing application. It consists of many series of filters like black and white series, portrait series, and minimal series, which I really like. You can also spend some money and get subscription for VSCO X, which has hundreds of filters in it. VSCO is having a bunch of tools like brightness and contrast, highlights, skin tones, HSL, and you can also add some grain to your picture. Grainy look is said to be cinematic these days. Just play with all those tools, and after getting it done, go back and spend some time, find the best filter to your picture, apply it and save. That's it. That's how you edit your pictures in VSCO. With that being done, what are you waiting for? Just go and upload it on Instagram. Thank you all for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video.